Hello, my amazing artists. Welcome back to another super fun drawing video. Today we are going to draw something very special, very beautiful and little bit tricky. We are drawing Lord Krishna cute little foot. Yes, not face, not flute, only foot. But don't worry, this is not just any food. This is a magical, divine, super pretty Krishna food with designs, patterns, and lots of love. Okay? So grab your pencil, colors, and your patience because tiny details are coming. Let's start before Krishna ji runs away playing his flute. And here we have a little beautiful story for you while we draw. Okay, guys? Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a little girl named Meera. One morning, she saw tiny, beautiful footprints outside her house. They were not normal footprints, they had little designs and looked magical. Meera followed them slowly, step by step. Curious and excited, the footprint led her to a garden full of flowers, and suddenly she heard a soft flute sound. Then a sweet voice whispered, "Whenever you draw with love, and I am always with you." And Meera smiled and said, "These must be Krishna's footprints." From that day, she started drawing those beautiful feet with colors and devotion. And today we are going to draw those some magical footprints together.
Rana, Rana, Ranu, Rena,
And guys, wow, look at your drawing. Your Krishna food looks so beautiful. Even Krishna ji might say, "Hey, that's my food." Who drew it so nicely? Give yourself a big clap. Yay! If you enjoyed drawing today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and creative art videos. And tell me in the comment, did you add your own design or followed mine? I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep drawing, keep smiling, and keep spreading love and creativity. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. I love you, Krishna ji.